Hey yo, my name is Addie, and we are going to be learning how to do hands-on equations. But first, we need to learn what the items are that we are going to be using. This is X. It's blue pond. And this is the opposite of X, which if X is a negative, then this is a positive, and if X is a positive, then this is a negative. The next item that we have is a green cube, and that represents a negative whole number. The red cube represents a positive whole number. Okay, our problem that we have today is x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. So for our problem, our first legal move is we're going to take away these two blues because that is our first legal move because there are two x's. Our next legal move is we're going to add 2's to each side because we want to get rid of this 2 by making a pair of 0. So what we have is we're going to take away this 2 because it is a pair of 0 now. Now we have 10 minus 2, which is 8. And so now we have 8 equals 2x. And so now we have to divide the equation, which ends up as x equals 4. Our next problem is negative 10 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 2. To get started, our first legal move is we're going to add 2 whites in order to make a pair of 0 to get rid of this 2. And so we add the whites and we take away this pair of 0. And so now we have negative 10 equals 4x plus 2. And so we need to get rid of this 2 in order to make the x's alone. And so we're gonna add a green 2 to both sides to make a pair of 0. And so now that we have a pair of 0, we can take that away. And negative 10 plus negative 2 equals negative 12. And so negative 12 equals 4x, which we can divide it all by 4, and that would equal that would equal x equals 4, positive 4. Our final problem is 5 plus x plus the opposite of 3x equals 3x plus the opposite of 2x plus negative 1. To get started here, we can take away these two blue pawns because they're both blues on different sides. And these are two pairs of 0, so we can take those out. And what we have to do is now we have to get rid of this 5. And so we're going to add 2 negative 5's to each side to make a pair of 0 on this side and to have the x's by themselves. And so we can now get rid of this pair of 0, and that leaves us with 5 plus 1, which is 6. And so now we have the opposite of 3x equals negative 6, which means that x equals 2. Thanks for watching.